Burying the water line for the new well. Coming up the hill. It's quite a hill. It's tight quarters, but he's doing good. Coming past the old house. It doesn't got much room. Getting there though.
Holy, that sure was a workout. My job was to make sure it was unrolling. We just have it on the loader up in the air, and then Bob took the end and he started walking down, and then the other guy, when it was about halfway, he went down and he was helping to pull, but it was still a workout. Whew. Okay, so we've got the water line down to the well. Bob shoved it through. He sealed a piece of ABS pipe into the hole he made in the cement, and then he's just shoved the blue water pipe in. Well, it's been 8 hours and we are not done yet. We're maybe over half done. Oh yeah, 3/4 done. But it's hard digging because we got to go 6 feet down, and as you can see, it's all clay and silt, so it's just like, you know, digging through cement. But we're getting it done. Okay, so the excavator's at that hydro pole there, and I've pulled out some more water line for him. You put it on the, this is where he's going to dig the trench. This is his tracks. So you just place the water line beside, not anywhere where he's going to run over it. And then once he digs the trench, you know, quite a bit of ways, then you pull the water line and drop it into the trench. And we're getting closer. There's the house. Yay! Okay, you see the water line there. Now, you just don't cover it with the excavator. Bob's got to go along and you knock nice, sandy, dirty stuff, no stones, onto the water line. You cover it up, and then when the excavator backfills, any rocks that might be in what he's backfilling will be deflected by that pile. So that nice pile that Bob's laying on there. So this is the hard part. Now Bob's got to walk 1,200 feet in a trench and to use a round-mouth shovel with a short handle. And that's a trench shovel. You just cover the water line, just enough to deflect stones, because a stone over time will rub with and might put a hole in. Okay, so Bob has put in a check valve there and a shut-off there, just in case, because you don't want all the water draining every time the pump shuts off, all the water draining back out of the hose, and then you get, some pumps got to fill it back up again. So that's what the check valve's for. Okay, and now I sit here and wait until I see if any water. I put it up against that 5-gallon pail there, and I think it's been 6 minutes so far that we turned the pump on, and we'll see how long it takes before we get water up here. It might take a couple times for the well to fill up, because the well's only 8 feet deep, and I don't know when you lay that all out in a water line just how much water that is and how much it's going to take just to fill this line the first time.